Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make a dish from mainland China, SzeChuan, called 水煮鱼, water boil fish. And this is actually a simplified version, and I try my best to make it a less spicy version. If not, my family is not going to eat. I'm the only person who likes spicy at home. Okay, so as the name suggests, it's a 水煮鱼, is fish. Usually in SzeChuan you can find two kinds of meat they will use. They will either use a fish or they will use beef. Okay, so you can use exactly the same method, but a beef instead. So I have some probably about 300 grams of sliced siakap, sliced Barramundi fish here. I slice it myself from about 2 kg Barramundi fish. Try to slice it as thin as possible so that you can have more contact surface, more contact surface. So you have something like this. Then we will need you will need some veggie in this dish. Usually they will use taugeh. I don't have taugeh with me, but I'm going to use some Chinese cabbage, right? And you will need some chicken stock. I have 1 bowl of chicken stock. So we will cook the soup base. Then we will actually cook the fish in the soup base. And last but not least, we will cook the chili oil. The chili oil is really what makes it very enticing. Okay, so first of all, we are going to marinate the fish. So let's marinate the fish. Give it a bit of salt, fine salt. This is to give it some base flavor. And then we want to give it a few dashes of white pepper. This is to remove the gaminess or the fishiness of the fish. And last but not least, prepare some thick cornstarch solution. And give it a few stir. Basically, the cornstarch solution is going to make your fish very smooth and tender. Actually, my cornstarch is a little bit too watery. Don't make it this watery. Make it a bit more thicker, but still can be used. Alright, so set it aside. Okay, next thing is to cook the soup. The soup base is actually very simple. Chicken stock and veggie, any veggie of your choice. I'll give it a few slices of ginger as well. So I'm just going to bring this to a boil and season it and make sure the veggie is fully cooked. That's it. Then we can set it aside. Okay, while waiting, this is what is needed to make the chili oil. I have some dried chili. To be very frank, in China they will probably use about 3 times of what I'm using today. But again, I tried to make it less spicy as possible, and I also tried my best to remove the seeds. The seeds will be very spicy. So this is 1 small handful of dried chili. I try my best. And I have some sliced ginger and also garlic. And this is actually a combination between chili flakes and also SzeChuan peppercorn powder. Alright, so this is a combination of that. So if you can't find this combination, then you have to put in about 1 tablespoon of chili powder and also 1 tablespoon of SzeChuan peppercorn powder. 花椒面, So we are going to season this soup base. I will put in a little bit of salt. Few dashes of white pepper. A little bit of Shao Hsing wine. Optional, this is optional. And I will add in a little bit of my favorite premium Vietnamese fish sauce to give it more full body. So I will cook until the Chinese cabbage is fully softened, then I will add in the fish. We'll continue shortly. Okay, I found something in from my kitchen. This is totally optional, but I'm going to put in a little bit of abalone sauce. Totally optional. Alright, once the veggies started to soften down, I'm going to tune down the fire. Let it simmer, yeah, at the simmering situation here. And I am going to slowly put in the fish slices. Why is it you want simmer? Because if your fire is actually too big, your meat can actually become hardened too fast. So you let some residual heat, yeah, from the simmering to cook through your fish, and you will not take more than, I would say, about, depending on the thickness of your fish, I would say something between 1 to 2 minutes. Everything should be cooked. I must say today my fish slices is really not bad. Alright, this is after about 1 minute plus. The fish is slowly cooked through. Yeah, everything started to turn whitish in color. The fish is done, and you don't want to cook it anymore. We are going to set this aside, and we are going to make the chili oil. So I have a serving plate here. I'm going to put the fish together with the soup inside the serving plate. Okay, here comes the exciting part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. a lot of oil actually they will be using. I'm just using probably less than half of what they are using in China. Not even half. Ginger, garlic. You want to get a nice aroma out. Fragrant, very fragrant. Now I'm going to tune down the fire. Why? Because I'm about to put in the dried chili. Dried chili, if too high heat, it will get burned very easily. So don't use too high heat for your dried chili. And the chili powder together with the SzeChuan peppercorn powder. This is not reddish enough. I'm going to add some chili oil. Let me see, do I have my chili oil? Yes. I am going to add some chili oil here. More for the color, okay? This is really more for the color. You want it to be as reddish as possible. And this chili oil actually is from the Ong Ky. I can let you know, and that one I'm using right now, and it is not spicy at all. Okay, everything is boiling here, and it's ready. And we're going to pour this over. And garnish it with some fresh coriander on top. Right, so some fresh coriander. There you go, done. My very simplified version of 水煮鱼 is ready for the dinner. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page, you could click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. By the way, the oil used in the mainland China dishes is always to flavor the dish. The oil is actually becoming a seasoning. Alright, bye bye.